Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through setting up an e-commerce store on Simvoly in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, head over to the Store section and click on Products. Here, you'll find all the information about your store, including the Products section. If your template already includes some pre-made products, you can customize those or create your own by clicking on Add Product. You can choose from physical, digital, service, or membership products, depending on what you're selling. If you have a list of products ready to go, you can also import them using a CSV file. Now let's take a look at some of the products that are already created to get started. You can preview each product to see how it will look on your site. Now let's customize a product. You can add a title, description, images, categories, and even SEO settings to optimize how your product appears in search results. You can also add additional elements to your product description, such as accordions, to provide more detailed information to your customers. This can be done easily by using Simvoly's drag-and-drop editor. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, don't forget to save your changes. You can also track inventory, set up subscription options, and apply tags to your products for better organization and management. Now, let's talk about customizing the product page itself. You can adjust the layout, styling, and design elements to match your brand and preferences. Simvoly's intuitive editor allows you to personalize every aspect of your product pages with ease. You can change the layout, adjust padding, add shadows, and even customize the background to create a unique look for your store. Once you're happy with the design, simply save your changes, and you're good to go. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to set up an e-commerce store on Simvoly. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Simvoly for free.